I've got a brand new color for the limited edition money envelope that holds over 100 bills, and yes, that has been tested, but I don't have 100 bills on me to show you on camera, so you just have to take my word for it. This is a limited edition Pink Minerva, which I've talked about in the past and got tons of comments asking for it. It's been a long time coming, and here it is. The money envelope seemed like a no-brainer product to do a small, very, very small batch, just to not interrupt order volume flow, getting out orders, but just something to kind of spice up the TikTok page here. It's been a while since a new product has hit, and I wanted to show this off. Now, like I said in the beginning, this holds over 100 bills flat, and that has been tested. And the long story short is, a guy on Reddit hit me up a long time ago asking me to make him a little leather envelope, little leather money envelope that holds 100 plus bills, and I obliged, and one thing led to another. I made him several, and then it quickly became one of my most popular products on the website. So shout out to that random guy on Reddit like 4 or 5 years ago. Here I am. Please ignore the total mess that my hardware table is. I got a hardware shipment in, the table quickly became a disaster, but it's a very functional workshop, so the mess kind of goes with the territory. At least that's what I think. Now, this part here, I use a amazing Tandy double-sided tape to hold this together going into the stitching. Now, this is not a high-stress product like a bag or a wallet. I glue 99% of my products, but this product does not need glue. I've tried it a million times, and the tape holds awesomely, holds those things together, stitch it down, burnish it, and those edges last a long, long time. This particular product I actually do use for myself. I know a lot of people commented in prior videos. I had one that hit a couple million views, and a comment that I got relatively frequently was, who's carrying a money envelope? Why not just a wallet? This isn't necessarily for someone to just carry around in your pocket. It fits great in a purse, so it's great for women, but I actually use it in the center console of my car, in the safe in our home. It's just something to keep quick cash on hand. How many times have you been driving and you go through a toll, say you don't have your Easy Pass or whatever it is in your state, and you need cash, or you stop at maybe a restaurant that's cash only, or a craft fair that's cash only. If you're a small business owner and you take cash at your fair or your venue or your store, this is a great way to hold it. There's a lot of uses for what I just simply call a leather money envelope, inspired by some guy on Reddit. With that said, only a very limited edition, a small batch being made. You can grab them on TikTok Shop or my website.